On 3rd January 2025, a meeting on the Maujimbuin cave issue resulted in the Assam-based Kutumba Suraksha Parishad KSP agreeing to implement SOPs to protect the cave's environment. Organized by the East Khas Hills Deputy Commissioner R.M. Kurba, it included representatives from the KSP and the Mausan Ram Darbar Shnong. KSP President Ranjan Bora stressed the importance of preserving the cave's ecosystem by avoiding activities like burning incense or making excessive noise. While earlier restrictions by the Darbar were misinterpreted as a ban, Bora clarified that worship is allowed daily between 9 a.m. and 5 p.m. with special arrangements during Shravan.
And we have 4 people here. A lot of people are there outside the meeting hall. So it was a nice meeting, and they said there is no ban on worshipping on the cave, Mausan Ram cave Shivling, and it is open to everyone, open to all. But they have to follow some SOPs. And of course there should be some SOPs, because the Maujimbuin cave itself is a necessarily from its structure. And being a citizen of this India, we have the fundamental duties to protect the environment, forest and lake, etc. So we do have some suggestions. We offered our suggestion to them and they accept our suggestions. Okay, there should not be any lights, diyas and dhoops inside the cave. It's okay, that should not be there. It is a tourist spot and it is a sensitive environmental spot. There should not be any kind of external applications to apply to the places. And number 2 is that there should not be any kind of noise. Yes, that can also be understood, that can also be appreciated. And they say there is no any ban, and they will go for special arrangement to the people in the month of Sawan. They have accepted it, they will do it. And they also said that for 365 days it is open to all, and they will keep on operating the cave for everyone. Everyone go inside the cave, they can offer their prayer there and they can do anything, but no lights, no smoke, no alcohol. Of course there should not be any alcohol, you know? So smoke means smoke from any diya and all, that is okay. So we have submitted one letter addressing to the Honorable Chief Minister of Meghalaya, and we have distributed through the Deputy Commissioner of East Khas Hills, and we have submitted this to all the stakeholders who are present in the meeting. And basically what we have suggested to them, they said yes, they already put in those things in the SOPs. So I think the meeting was good. And let's see what happens. We are hope for the best, and we are here being a citizen of India. As per the Article 51 says, we are performing our constitutional duties, and right to worship, right to live, right to movement. Everyone has fundamental right given by the Constitution of India. They have to respect, and they, of course, they are respecting all the fundamental duties, and they are doing their fundamental, expecting all the fundamental rights and doing their fundamental duties. So we are thankful to the Meghalayan government and looking forward to visit the Mausan Ram cave in coming days with all my friends and all you. So it is a nice meeting. See, there is some misconfusion in the worship. What we are meant by worship is to offer the prayer to the Almighty. It may be anyone. See.
Mausan Ram Assistant Rangba Shnong Hyamdor Rapsang asserted that the cave is primarily a tourist spot, not a place of worship, and emphasized the need to follow SOPs. He criticized unrecognized groups from fueling unnecessary protests, claiming they acted in self-interest. Rapsang reiterated that visitors of all faiths are welcome, provided they respect the rules to maintain the site's natural and cultural significance.
Nagalang nilayo sithi nagalang jong snong ban wan second committee yang balakhat dai DC bo tu di ha ka baning kong nilayo I ha ga tu notice jong DC bai khot lang ya kani ka kadhun na po Assam rubani don lang ka kani meeting ha ka baning kong nagalang jong I Mars I ba kani ka kadhun kan don lang ha kani meeting nila swan mi shani benta ka singi ba nginum don benta panesong ha kani meeting balai ba kita banabar nadu Assam bagi man tuklar interfere ya kita kami yang jongi hang ni kata kani kanong rem bagi wan hang ni lengkong nilamut kumta Hendain talekran bagi DC nak kalian jeng ila kerpa bahkan nempoi saya kata bagi dia tetin dia ki ndai ngi suka ban sengap yo bagi suka ban sengap ke ai ka bagi don ban ong hang ni marhamat ni benta din ha ka jeng ekran jungi hang te ni nak kalian jong ka dor wasno ni ong bang nginum kan randian tang kan diat e ru ya katakan nong rem ka jongi ka bagi la juyeng bersikata baka number 1 bagi dei kita try jong ketika krem mo jemboy haba ong kitrai kamut ngila banrai ngila kanu karai ka bagi siap ha katai ke cakala jong mo di bad ka baar kalong baik bakati ka krem mo jemboy ni ka dei baik ka tourist spot nginuk mentetin yano ban ang ban pan permission ban wan mane belai ketika cakah mo kata ka dinong rem ke jongi nado ka basna ya ki tourist lani yano gila ban wan na keleng kari India borboy ban wan ha ketika cakah tang ba ka ai ka badon kam kalong bakin subut be tang ye kitiki kendon ke baka slong ka bu tang ka tala be kamdon kanu ka jingkhang ye kinu ki jingai ni yanu yung Hindu Muslim Christian yanu kamdon kum kata nai one stories henry boat be tang ye kitiki SOP ke baka slong kala bu patla display ru ha ka signboard mas jaru ha program pinyu i kita ke berhad mo de ka ai ka bami na ka jingai kran hang ni hang tai uni udukhar KSP ketu kaseng na po Assam undang ula pen i ki ba udon kam ben pen i hang te kadai ki bar khoi ka ba ula sha ya lambak lah ula sha ya lambak na mar ba ong bahana ba kadon kata ka jingkhang ban wan ha po kram mau jum boy rengi nge thu ba ka kram mau jum boy ka pli baro lai spa nru pho san si kam don kanu ka jingkhang mo kam don kanu ka jingkhang ya ka ti ka ka ban wan tang ba ngim sha ban convert ya ka sha ka ka mane belai lada P1 Shudem Shule ite jese bagaimana menuban khang ye kata nai maintain ye kata ka silent ha kata po ketika krem mah bot ye kitiki kendon ki baka ai ki yu kasno te hadian kata na kaliang jong u ke ai ka bu tho ye kata ka sithi bu tho sa ka sarka address show chief minister kadi kata ka sithi ka bau ong ba ngidon ni kitiki hok kumta teter jogi kitiki fundamental rights jong u pat unda ula UI ya kata ka ya kitiki SOP ki jongi ru ki hab kum ju hi ni ong bangim sim khang de ma ngim sim khang ye no ru ban ban de tang ban pen kala ya ketika jaga na bele te ke ei ka bau ya berthen bersikata kum to sathe ban khang kitiki kali biki ki kita kadi tang ga jinsha ba usha mislet tani usha ya lambakla haki wei pat ki katu kat ne ki breu ki ba perkhat tang ya kecing mento simet ke joki Belai ha kata jaga lada udang pen kelumar sedak kumtana ni kani kejing elang ke bahilong apa mentah apa di si kanempoi senu dulu
kata uang kat kum kejing keren apa kadon kejing ya lang
kejing keren hang tei haga ba penkot ke long ba katai ke keren majumboin kan long ba ku baju long om sha ban mane belai te om sha ban mane belai om sha ban le ki puja amla ban le ki religious activities hang tei mo ndrei P1 pidei na kanu ka kan hunjing wan tang ba subut baik iki kendon di bagas nong kala bo mo phim la batang do phim la ban bret sentil phim la ban thedot phim le kit phim la kanu no bagi kita ban peti ba ketika kremo juga ke jangan boleh mo